Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So as in a diabetics, it's said to be that you need to maintain your sugar levels to the normal in spite of following a good diet and also following about the good medication as well and on a proper time. Sometimes we fail to maintain our sugar levels in a normal way. So here the natural remedies will help you out in giving you this effective result by maintaining your sugar levels to the normal without any side effects, without giving any side effects to your body. So here for this remedy we are taking betel leaves. Betel leaves are very effectively worked in this process. So this is a very simple ingredient and the process is also simple, but it gives you a very effective result. Betel leaves has a very good digestion enzymes in it, which gives the body a good digestion rate and metabolism rate and reduces the constipation, gas and bloating problems. When the body is ready to digest the food which we have taken in a proper way, then you can maintain your sugar levels in a normal way. So you need to take these betel leaves and wash them, clean it and keep them aside. Now next, take a pan and add a glass of water. Next, you need to take a betel leaves for about 2 leaves and cut them into pieces. Add it to the water. Now after adding this to the water, you need to boil this water for about 5 to 6 minutes by covering it up on a low medium flame. So after boiling this for about 5 to 6 minutes on a low medium flame, we need to take it out and let it get cool for some time, and then you need to take it into the glass. After the drink has become cool, you need to take it into the glass. Now the betel leaf drink is ready. You need to take this drink regularly on an empty stomach every day. Taking this drink regularly on an empty stomach will help you out in maintaining your sugar levels and maintain your body weight, and also improves your digestion and increases your metabolism rate and clears the all indigestion issues like gas, acidity, bloating and constipation, and manages your cholesterol levels as well, and makes your bones and gums stronger, and also will reduce the risk of getting a heart attacks, BP or a heart blockages. By taking this betel leaves drink every day regularly on an empty stomach will help you out in controlling the sugar levels and making it to the normal in a natural way.